All right, so today, welcome back. We're still working on the same site, Income Streams 247. Today, we're going to be taking a look at using ChatGPT for the AI text generator, of course, for our articles. Okay, we're going to be using it to not only for the outlines, but also we're going to be looking to get into the post structure and each section kind of so we can start our templates. But if we look at the site, as we all know, of course, since it's a brand new site, there's no articles on the site. Okay, so we want to start building out things for SEO reasons, of course, start hitting keywords. But I want to start a framework using catalogs and categories. Okay, so of course we want to have a few categories that all of our articles are going to, and then we'll start from there. So let's go ahead, let's take a look and see exactly how ChatGPT is going to help us here. Let's get right into it. So as we all know, man, like I said, this is our full going through step. We're going to be looking at every way, up and down and sideways. All right, so this is a prompt I've come up with. So right now we're looking on getting the categories. Okay, we want to get our categories for the courses. And here we go here. So these are a few categories. I'm going to be breaking all of our articles into. Okay. All of our articles will be broken down right here. And from what I'm seeing here, I'm going to pick just a few of them just to start our first article, which is what we'll be going through today and doing. I like this side. I like really these three right here. Really liking those. I'm liking side hustles. We could do like a roundup type of post. Matter of fact, let's do this as well. Post types for informational, what we had, transactional. I'm really the main ones. You have your information posts and your transactional. I mean, you either giving information or you trying to sell. So let's take a look here. Okay, so this is seeing these is this is what's gonna give us our structure for the video, for the give us the structure for the actual article. Okay, so this is how we'll start structuring our article here. I'm liking this. It's giving us nice ways of putting pages together, exactly the type of pages. Now for the article here, I'm gonna stick seeing it, and you see how it's different. The transactional type of post versus your informational post. Your informational post is what's gonna really bring in a lot more traffic. Okay, especially with search engines, with AI, and Google knows of AI. They're using AI, so they want to see exactly how you're going to use it and be more productive. Basically, they're not going to be ranking just 1,000 AI articles. No. So let's take a look here. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna start probably with I'm liking a case study. Let's try a case study here. All right, so we're gonna do a case study. Right, and you see now this is how we're about to piece together the AI text generator. Basically, AI using ChatGPT could do so many different things. So let me take a look here. So we're liking this here. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna start a new prompt basically, and we're gonna start putting this article together. Not doing really much of any keyword research right now. That'll be a separate video. But what we're gonna do, we're just gonna start cranking out articles. Okay, we want to start having non-plagiarized articles on our site so we can start getting seen for different keywords. All right, so let's see here. Structured into and this is how we start doing AI prompt engineering basically. All right, This is prompt engineering, and that's what you're gonna have to be more in tune with coming up for 2025. Is prompt engineering. All right, so basically, so we got the, and then we'll start formulating it from there. But this is how you start to do it. These prompts could go way longer. Okay. Now, so let's start putting this together. Create a unique for a pillar. And we're gonna go like a pillar article. Okay, pillar articles, you want to have your main structure categories, and then your pillar articles, which is what's gonna start bringing in the core traffic as you start to branch out. All right, let's just get it. Let's just get in. And it knows exactly. That's the thing. You don't have to be perfect with these things. And watch how this is all going to start formulating. All right. And then we're going to be able to start expanding on the sections. All right. And now you start getting the frameworks on exactly how we could really build a major, major, major entity here. All right. And let's see here. How many words is the article? So I want my articles to be, really about 2,500 to 3,000 words, just because they're informational. Okay, informational. Then we'll start putting graphs, pictures, things like that in different sections. But we want our core things here. See, and that's nothing. 636 words. All right. Expand the intro to be longer. And then we're gonna start adding like right here, this lessons portion. For the lessons learned portion, include a paragraph for each, right? And we're just gonna start and then include the word count, of course, as well. Include word count. All right. Down for each. All right. Then we're gonna keep going here, like here for the strategy part. We want to go ahead and give more of an explanation there. All right. So for the strategy part, expand the paragraph to 2 in-depth breakdown paragraphs, right? So basically we're going to tell it first also our intent. I need the article longer, up to 2,500, up to 2,500 to 3,000 words. Then we're going to also tell it to provide us the keywords, right? Provide us the given keywords for SEO at the end as well. And the crazy thing about using this ChatGPT, you could write kind of however, right? As you can see, some of the misspelled words, sometimes I'll have sentences completely off, but it'll still be able to understand the gist of what I'm saying. And then you could go back in and, correct it. And that's what we're going to be doing. And this is just the first article. So once I do this, I'm going to use that as a template. We'll show that as well later. But let's take a look here. All right, so now we're doing something here. All right, and then I'm gonna be able to show image. Look at that. You see how exactly how it's doing this now. It's giving me examples. I could put pictures of these guys, right? Right. These different case studies, man. Lessons learned, a paragraph on each. See there? I mean, this is amazing. Look at that. 2,600 words, man. Gives me the keywords to optimize for already. All right. We know these words are popping out. Okay. All of this stuff is. All right. And then we're going to start getting more focused. But, I mean, come on. I mean, this is crazy. So now we're going to take this and then we're going to put that onto the site and start kind of building our first pillar article. We're going to do that in the next video. Definitely stay tuned. Stay committed. Definitely be sure to subscribe, like the video. We're going to be coming out with another one here. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Peace.